Welcome back to another Joyride video. Today, we are modifying our daily driver. So let's get to it. Why are you laughing? We're just trying to film a thumbnail, and these little guys are over here laughing. It's so funny. It's not that funny. No, it's not.
That's weird, isn't it?
Why's your hair so messy, bud? Everybody's just sitting here laughing at me. I'm just trying to make a YouTube video. The struggle is real. We're just trying to do YouTube. That's all it is. You guys ready? Start modifying the car? Let's start this video. So let's take a look at everything that we got. I've actually got a few other things that I don't have setting out right here. The most important stuff, the suspension. So we've got some coilovers. Keep in mind before you guys attack me in the comment section, this is a budget build. This is a daily driver. It's an old 96 Honda Civic. I'm not trying to make it like some big showcase build. This is a budget build. This is a daily driver. So all of this stuff is just budget parts. Everything's from Amazon and eBay. All of this stuff, everything that you guys see that we're doing to this car, I don't even think I have about $1,000 in parts. All these suspension parts and the coilovers, I think is probably about like 300 bucks. The wheels I got used. So a guy that used to work with Eric, he bought these things brand new. Had them on the car, not even 900 miles, and then sold them. So these wheels and tire package from Fitment Industry was around like 1,400 bucks. He sold them to me, I got them for 500 bucks. So these are brand new, used. I mean, you look at these things, they are not a flaw on them. And the wheels, they are Avid 1 AB12 tire, and these tires are like brand new. You can find the grill on Amazon, 25 bucks. Front lip I got off of Amazon, I think 30 bucks, 40 bucks, I can't remember exactly. And then the headlights, 50 bucks, 60 bucks for them. So we'll see how long those last, see how long it takes before we end up with condensation. They may turn yellow. So we've got the lower control arm. I haven't opened this yet, but the only thing that's in that is just window seals. We're replacing this. All this trim starts to look really bad. But everything, Amazon, eBay, no more Temu, because this is kind of what happens when you get stuff off of Temu. And this thing's still holding up. I'm kind of mad that it stayed on. But we're gonna take this off. I'm just trying to make the car fun. A fun daily driver. What do you think, babe?
Is that like $52 worth of stuff?
That's what I told her. 52 bucks. You gonna help put all this stuff on?
Logan will.
Logan will? I know, he's been bugging because we've been kind of collecting it, ordering it, and just kind of setting it off to the side here in the garage, and Logan's just been, when are we gonna put it on? He's been bugging to put the wheels on, hasn't he? He's been wanting to do it so bad. Why are you making that face? Like, if I got a problem, like...
Because you can't leave anything alone.
I know. I have a problem. And I mean, I've got this car just sitting here.
Does it feel like you're in high school?
Because I'm hooking up like a cheap little like car that's, oh yeah, it feels like I'm in high school again. Just like I'm reminiscing. This is like my third Civic. Remember that red Civic that got stolen?
I got everything taken off.
Dropped it off at a shop in Manassas. A van pulled up and stripped it, stole the wheels, stole the seats. I mean, I think.
Did you steal like something out of the engine?
Yeah, the turbo.
Yeah, I thought it was a turbo, but then I was like, was that thing turbo?
Basically, it was the same car, but it was a 95 or 94.
It was like bright red.
Lowered with wheels, racing seats, and turbo.
It was like sitting on tires.
They ripped the front bumper off, stole the intercooler, and then we had the 92 GSR Integra. I had that one for a long time. I used to daily drive that. You used to drive that thing back and forth to school every day too.
Remember gas prices back then were like $3.50 or something.
Yeah.
And I had a truck.
Yeah, your F-150.
Did it have an exhaust or something? I remember it was loud.
Too. I started taking some of the, see how this thing is like twisted, the front lid? Remember I was telling you about it last night? Mm-hmm. Hopefully we can get that thing to work. This is an old photo that I found. That was my Evo, and that was my dad with a mullet. But you know what's weird about this photo? And I don't know why, and I cannot explain this. Date right there says 1998. So that's like August 30th.
All your dad's pictures are like that though. All the dates are wrong. Whatever cameras he's using. Because he's posted stuff on Facebook with those dates on it, and they're always wrong.
This photo was taken, I think, in 2005.
We were dating when you had that. And in 98, I lived in Indiana.
Oh, and we lived in a trailer park.
Yeah, but you had the double wide on the corner.
I know I said previously that I was not gonna do this. What I said was, whatever money this video makes, we're gonna spend it on the car. I kind of lied to you guys because that video only made, I think, like 60 bucks. I've spent only $52 on all those. I basically gave myself a budget of like $1,000 because that video didn't really do well anyway. So I was like, you know what? Life is too short to be out here driving boring cars, so we have to do something cool. Make it fun. I had to. That's what we're gonna do. I gave myself a $1,000 budget. We're gonna throw it into the Civic. Why? Like, what is up with that?
Apparently it's called mewing.
Furry thing? It sounds like meowing. Are you laughing at me?
Yeah.
Why? Oh, because I'm not hip to this stuff? Like, what is it? You can't hide behind mama. You need to go put a shirt on the that you don't care that gets dirty.
That's why he puts that one.
So he turned his shirt inside out. That's kind of like what I do with my underwear, so I can wear them a second time. What are you doing? She's over here. She's got her little cowboy boots, her ice cream, popsicle. She's good to go. So we got the car up on the lip. Yeah, we've already pulled out the factory suspension. One thing that we already did do.
We tinted the windows. And we redid the headliner.
What kind of headliner is this?
GPS headliner.
Logan's gonna get this wheel off. We got all these parts laid out.
Liam said this is his car.
Is it gonna be yours or Logan's?
Or does Liam need a box body?
Well, look at the shirt. So that tells us what Liam wants. What kind of car do you want when you start driving?
Probably like an R32 GTR.
I mean, that's not realistic, buddy. This guy, he just goes straight to. Wow.
That's gonna be mine when I grow up.
What car's gonna be yours when you grow up? That one?
Because it's pink.
Because it's pink? Well, that makes sense. Well, Grandma already said you can have it. But I think we should change the color because we need to remove all this wrap.
You're about to make her really mad.
Am I? I hope not.
We're gonna get in a better pink. And
All
we
right.
gotta fix that up. That'll be my daily.
That's what she likes. It doesn't have AC though.
That's fine. I don't need AC.
You don't need AC? Oh yeah, your bus doesn't have AC either.
Or brakes.
Yeah.
Hey, Logan.
We need to fix that. Here goes the
Let's tell them. Let's tell them. Okay, JD's got all this stuff for his Civic. My Jeep has no battery, no oil. The Explorer needs tires. That is my current daily.
Why does the Explorer need tires?
Because I hit a curb. That's my daily driver. The diesel truck. Diesel's $5.70 a gallon, but
All right.
you're paying for it, so I guess whatever.
Yeah. Jeep battery is over here on the charge, and it's good. It had so much corrosion on there. Look, I've got it over here on the charge. Let's see. It's at 100% and 12 volts.
So what if you
We're
take
good.
it off?
We're gonna put it in the Jeep. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna start.
Even if I shut it off and don't drive it for 2 days?
What we need to do is we need to test, make sure the alternator is good. Because maybe the alternator wasn't charged because when I put it on here, it was at 9 volts. So, but now it's good. Took charge. We're just gonna need to make sure once we put it in there, start it. I'll put the voltmeter on there and see if it's actually getting charged from the alternator. It's gonna be fine. Trust me. It's gonna be fine. All I'm trying to do is just make a video and then everybody's making me look bad, call me out.
Oh, and guess what else Lena said?
A YouTuber hasn't said.
But we don't.
Yeah.
Who does everyone use me as?
It's that.
She said that how come other YouTubers have chefs and we don't have a chef and everyone just uses me as a chef?
Some YouTubers has really corrupted the minds of like kids. When you guys watch these videos, it's not reality because we're editing the videos and only showing you guys the highlights. But you're only seeing the highlighted moments. You're not seeing the behind the scenes of what's really going on. Like, because when we pick up the camera, we're trying to stage everything, make everything look presentable. You're trying to make everything look good for YouTube, right? Because like how many times will we film something and be like, okay, that wasn't right, let's redo it.
You're not facing the camera at me.
Yeah, see, like for an example, we'll be filming something and you'll be like, oh, you're not facing the camera at me. I was just trying to hide all of this. And that's another thing that I try to do whenever I'm filming. I'll try to hide stuff in the background, like just so it's just not there and doesn't look bad, all this type of stuff. Why are you laughing, buddy? This is just a normal day in the life of laughing at Dada, right?
And now we're gonna go unload salt.
Are you gonna help too, Lena? Are you gonna help?
He's playing basketball.
Are you gonna help? He's been asking me for the past, what, week, 2 weeks?
I want to change the oil on the Civic.
And my Jeep.
She's throwing the Jeep in there. You said you watched a video on oil changing, so you got it, you know how to do it, you know what to do. But that'd be another video. We'll all go to the store, vlog it, see if he can actually look up in the book to figure out which oil, which filter, find it on the store shelf.
Do you have the book or did they make it digital?
I don't know. We'll find out in the video. Right there, we just came up with a whole nother video for everybody. All right, let's get this stuff done. What did you drop?
One of the nuts right there.
These kids are so strong, they don't even need tools. Look at this. They're pulling lug nuts off with their fingers. You got it? All right, stick it over there with the other wheel.
Okay.
Here, try one on. He's impatient. I was the same way though.
Remember when Logan was like 4 and we would go to yard sales with Mom and Logan would want to buy all the random like tractor tires and wheels and stuff. I think you have a picture of him in that garage when we'd go to yard sales with Mom. Like wheels off of tractors, wheels off of like just random wheels we had in that garage.
So your mom would just buy it for him. That looks way more gooder, doesn't it, bud? We got it on there. We're done. We can go back inside. We can all get on our tablets and hang out for the next 4 hours. Liam thinks that's a great idea.
Look at those hands.
Looks like a mechanic now. Look at him. Figuring this out, buddy?
Yeah.
He is working on these little clips for the front lip.
Yeah, I need another screw.
Yeah, put another screw in there and it'll kind of help hold it from twisting on you. Did it grab into the hole?
Yeah.
You need to flip it over, or you good?
I'm good.
You think you can figure out how to get it on the car? We are gonna have to take the front bumper off though to mount it. Buddy, once you get good at all this, I won't ever have to work on my cars again.
Are you gonna pay me?
I brought you in this world, buddy. Isn't that enough payment?
I guess.
Got it?
Yeah.
It's like when you start taking stuff apart on these cars, you just start finding problems. Because this is like kind of broke. I think it was a possum, messed up this. So I did get a whole new fender liner. See the axle seal? Look over here. See how it's, the boot is leaking? Mm-hmm. When it comes to this, bud, trying to replace a boot on here is so much of a pain in the butt. It's just simpler to order a whole new axle. Comes with the boot, everything. I did go on Rock Auto, put in an order for that. Brake pads look, I mean, they're fine. I went ahead, got us some PowerStop brakes, pads, rotors. PowerStop has actually helped us out a lot here on the channel with brakes on the Shelby, brakes on my truck. They actually hooked us up with all new brakes and everything on the Eclipse. It's probably gonna be a few days before that actually shows up, but we're gonna go ahead and continue with the rest of the project. I can pull this all back apart once we get that. We got the front lip mounted onto the bumper. All right, see if you can pop it out of there. You see,
no, there's bolts.
Is there bolts?
Yeah, on the bottom.
There you go, bud. I'm wondering how many people watching our videos, this has probably taken them back to high school modifying their Honda Civic. Because back in the day, like this is what we could afford, was these Honda Civics. Sometimes you gotta just give it a little bit of force. There's a clip. Out with the old. Let's see. There it is, it's in, front lip. Like all of this, black trim, we're gonna clean it up, refurbish it, make it look a lot better so it goes with all the new black. We need to get the headlights in. And once we get the headlights in, we can pop the front bumper and the whole front end back together. Get that headlight bolt out. See, it's crazy. So you have to take the front bumper off. So it all worked out just to get the headlights out. See if it'll come out. But remember those wires. Just trying to put it in like position. Just get it finger tight in there. Did you get it to bite?
Yeah, I think yeah.
Oh, the whole front of this car is going to look completely different, buddy. Without even telling Logan, he already pulled the other one out. So we're going to put the grill on after because it slides into here, and then it's got the clips for the top. So the grill's going to be easier to put on afterwards. So slide this thing on, and then Logan.
Okay.
And then... So now what we're going to do is we're going to replace this piece right here. Logan's going to pop these 3 screws out, and then that'll allow us to remove this. Once we remove that, then we can pop this panel off. And once we get it off, we'll clean it all underneath.
Wipe this right there.
Yep. There you go. And then now pull up, and then pull back, pull towards you. Right. Yep. Yeah, just go ahead and clean all this up, and then we'll put the new one on. I'm gonna go get a new battery for the camera. I come back in here, this little dude's already got the new trim piece back on. I was like, we're supposed to film it, bud. Dude, looks good. Look at you, bud. You don't even need me. You got this. Look at how perfect that is. Went to go get a new battery. Camera, come back. Little man's already. There you go.
I got one in. You can let go, Logan.
What's cool about these, they have the adjustable dampening.
There you go. Now you're going to the back one. All right.
Oh yeah, he's been working on the car. It's on the back of those.
Either one.
Either one, just get one of them in.
All right.
Here.
I'll do the next one.
Do the other side. You got the other 2 bolts?
They're in my hand. Alright, that's good.
All right. See, it works out when you got 3 people. You got somebody to help, and then you got a cameraman.
Dedicated camera.
Just gonna get all this stuff bolted back in, and then that should be it. What do you think, bud?
I'll put the wheels on.
I know. He's excited to put the wheels on.
That's all he wants. He just wants the wheels.
He's asked us like 300 times, can we put the wheels on yet? Can we put the wheels on yet? Guess what? We're putting the wheels on. And then we just gotta do this 3 more times. Yeah, we're just gonna go ahead, get her hand tight, lower the car, see where she's sitting.
Don't get me on camera.
This is the reveal of the car. Laura's just been out here gardening, and she doesn't want me to film her on camera. You're fine. Anyways, she's just been working in her garden, cleaning out the chicken coop. So here is the reveal of the Civic. It's done, completed, on the ground. It took a couple times to get the coilovers just to like right where we wanted it. Here it is, looking like a big silly, guys. Or should I just cue him with some glamour shots? What do you think of it? Looks good? Looks like a big silly?
Yeah, Clint's gonna have so many regrets.
I said I'm gonna have so many regrets?
No, I said Clint's gonna have so many regrets.
I've only have a total, I think, of like 1,500 bucks in this car.
A lot.
You said that's a lot? Are you serious?
Yeah?
That is not a lot.
That's engine money.
$1,500 in that right there, a daily driver. You're crazy.
Oh, you mean including the...
Cost of the car, everything, right at $1,000 in mods, because the wheels were like 500 and all the suspension stuff was around like 300. So it's not bad. I mean, $52. She is just giving me this look, but I can't show you guys because she doesn't want to be on camera right now. That stuff I put on the trim is actually... Yeah, it's just like stuff that I got from Randy, Blade Not Sprayed. They now have a detailing shop as well where they sell detailing product. It's like stuff that you can't get off the shelf at like your auto parts store or anything like that, because I put it on here. So what do you think, buddy?
I think it needs a wide body kit.
It's a daily driver, but I do have something for you, bud. I got something for you. We took the wing off. I took it off. You can put that on whatever you want, except my cars. He even said yesterday, he's like, I think we're gonna have to take that wing off because it's not gonna look right. But he did give me a suggestion on a wing, like one of those duckbill type ones, like just like a little lip. I don't wanna like rice it out. I just want it to look good. That's why I didn't go with that stance with the wheels tucked. I want it to where I can still drive it around. I can make it over speed bumps and get around and pull in and out of places. It looks good. I mean, it's just for a commuter car. Life's too short to be driving boring cars every day. You gotta have something cool. And I do have a disorder or a problem to where I can't leave anything alone when it comes to cars. I have to do something to it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think of the daily driver. I don't think we're gonna be doing anything else to this car. It is a daily driver. Well, there is maybe 2 more things. Laura's gonna get mad at me. Hey, I'm gonna just leave it there. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.